it picks up everything.
Everything. I put it here, and it's like a mini drone.
So, am I in it right now?
Yeah. And you don't see the stick. It has the technology like you don't see the stick. So that's why it's like floating. Last time they were charging to go up here. So we need to, if we want to go up, we can. Actually, we need to go from the other side, the big stairs. Yeah, they're charging for the. Or not.
For me, I'll go wherever you guys want to go. For me, I just want to see the Coliseum.
They just run there. It's like a movie. Guys, let's run. I don't know what is this. I feel scared of it. Look at the guy with the stick.
Let's run. We don't want to be a part of it.
Die. You can see the range here. Secret passages. How did they get that? Probably they pay. And he goes to the money in Italy.
That's
So corrupt.
Brazilians, Portuguese, and
Argentina and everything. It's like
we have something in common.
You don't pay for the city, you pay for the
We
politician.
have something in common. Yeah.
Oh, it's raining. It's raining. Oh, again they're coming here.
Should we just like
They're
get
following us.
Yeah.
And it's not they're going in the center, no, they're coming here. The roster is out. London Heathrow.
Ale nie muszę.
That's it. It's just Catholic stuff.
Are they not acting out something?
No. They believe on that.
Is it Jesus' name?
No, this is more.
Because they're carrying
This is more like symbolizing the Roman Catholic. Man, it's still very weird. Like, it's still very weird.
I określko. To jest w zasadzie, wiesz jak, boisz się, że on cię zdradzi, tak, jakiś, to wtedy wiesz, że live, I want to drop it on.
Yeah.
But
But for me, it was like I'm gonna go one time just to show you I've been there, and they wanna say no to me.
Yeah, so at least you can say you tried, right?
Yeah, and then,
but then you got it.
and I went through. And another crew, like, crew no, the guys that were applying, they were speaking perfect English, they were looking amazing. I was seeing them, they were getting rejected. I was like, wow.
That's
Like,
interesting, right?
and then I was going through, you know. And my friend was, that day was not flying, so I was telling him, Uy.
Oh, maybe it's actually
I was telling him, bro, now I passed this one, what do you expect? And he was telling me, maybe the next one is this and that. And it was pretty much similar. So I knew what to expect, but really I didn't expect to reach the final stage.
I think it is like that. Like when you don't expect things, they just happen.
Yeah, and even like I remember, I think we were like at the very end, 11 or 12 girls and 2 guys.
Okay.
So everyone was saying, okay, you guys, you go through. It's 2 guys only, that's it.
Yeah.
The other guy was rejected, just in the last step. Yeah, he was crying and everything. I felt so sorry for him because he did the cabin crew, flight attendant, the studies, and for me I didn't do it. Some people that really went to the cabin crew training.
No, but that's too much, I think.
No, but that's working in airline, not don't do anything. You do everything. You do like CPR and all the stuff.
Yeah.
You get like the kind of degree for that. And then when you apply for a job for an airline, you show that. But for me, I didn't even do that because they told me you don't have to do that. Because I was doing it from zero, so I didn't.
And it's different. Like I was working in different companies.
It's close, still close.
So you're right.
Capisci che ti voglio dire? Io sul contrario.
That was a long time ago.
But you know, we're in Italy. They like to take their time.
Yeah, so the other time to take pictures, we had to go there.
Okay.
Oh, okay. Or maybe something. Let's see. That'll be it.
Passami sempre termine, passami.
Cavallo. Let's see. If it's open, we have a nice place for pictures. If it's closed, we have to go to the other side.
Chi è che mi chiama? Wow.
You never been here?
No.
Yeah, and all this was restored. It looks old, but it's restored.
Really?
It was meant.
When did they restore?
It took forever.
Okay.
But I see they finished because there's no more.
Like the construction.
There's no more cranes or. They made it look like a different.
Okay.
The last time this was all closed. Coliseum. What do you think?
Wow.
Crazy. Huh? And you can go there to take more pictures. But you can have to here.
No, ma sai.
So,
But when I go into places like this, you make exceptions.
but the thing is, so we go to places like this all the time.
Yeah.
So it's
Well, no,
fun.
actually, now on reserve, I was like,
Oh, okay. Oh, yes.
It was perfect.
they gave me Birmingham, Bangkok, and in this one.
Not bad.
Birmingham is bad, but Bangkok and Rome, 2 of my favorites. So I cannot complain. Guys, grab your coins.
Yes.
Are the what happened? Is it closed? Is it closed?
I thought it was, but never.
What happened? Why is not
How can we go down? Really?
I think they allow people to come it's limited number. I think on the other side. I think it's on the other side.
I could just go, yeah, that's what I was thinking. Yes, I need someone. I hope so.
Yes. You hit someone?
I did hit someone?
I think so.
Sì, ma è troppo vicino! Oh, ma non fate molto ma non l'intero film!
You can throw it and you made it. Carolina, do it.